What's up, guys? This is Name for another video of C HackerRank. Sorry guys, I missed last Tuesday video. Today is Thursday. I'm gonna do like one video, guys, for you guys, and Sunday maybe we're gonna do like double upload. Okay, guys. So we did all of this. And then we stopped to strings. Now we're gonna do structures. Right, we're gonna do structures. So let's read what a structure is, and we're gonna do the problem, and we're gonna test it. So let's go, guys. If you didn't watch the other video, I have a playlist. You can watch all the videos, guys, that you want, and you can also watch the first video how to sign up on HackerRank. So what is a struct? So a structure is a way to combine multiple fields to represent a composite data structure, which further lays the foundation for object-oriented programming. For example, we can store details related to student in a struct consisting of his age, first name, last name, and standard. So struct can be represented as, so this is how we declare a structure. Structure is it's like a function, not very different, but the difference is, there's not really difference. It's not a function, a structure, but it's kind of also like a class, guys. It's between a function and a class. I think what I would say a structure. So we can declare, right? To declare a structure, you need the keyword struct, and then you put the name, new type, and then you have type 1, which is the data type, and value, type 2, value, type n, value n, right? You can put as many expression that the one variable and data type. Sorry, guys. So you have to create a struct name student. So we have to create a structure name student representing the student details as mentioned above, and store the data of the student mentioned above, so age, first name, last name, and standard. So input will consist of 4 lines. The first line will contain an integer representing age. The second line will contain a string consisting of lowercase Latin character A through Z, representing the name, first name of a student. The third line, okay, a lowercase Latin character representing the last name. The fourth line, an integer representing the standard of this. What is the standard? We need to know that. Okay, the number of character, first name, last name cannot exceed 50. So output will be a single line consist of age, name, first and last, standard, each separated by one white space. Okay, IO will be handled by HackerRank. Okay, so input output. Okay, input output will be handled by HackerRank. So we have input 15, John, Carmack, and 10. So 10 is the standard. So did they what is the standard actually? Is it like the rank of the student or something? Something like that, I guess so. Okay, so we need the input output is done by HackerRank. So what we need to do just to declare the structure, right? So everything is done for us. We need to declare the structure. So okay, guys. Oh, sorry about that. So we're gonna stay here. So the first word we need to use is struct, right, guys? Struct. So let's go. Struct. Okay, so we have it here. Thanks, HackerRank. Structure students, right? Let me see if the same way that they want us to do it. Let me see. Okay, students. Okay. Structure students. Open the bracket. And after that, we put the type. So first type will be age, which is the int. Okay, int age. The second one The second one will be the first name, so we have string. Remember how we declare a string, right guys? String first name. Okay, I think that's it. Last name, I mean, you can do the last name also in the same line, right? But it's better to write it down for conventional purpose at a different line. Okay, you can do also like this, right? Comma, right? You know, last name, right? Like this, last name, right guys? You can do it like this. But for writing purposes, you know, developer purposes, you need to write it down in a separate line. So the next one will be an integer, so int standard, lowercase, right? Standard. Okay guys, so I think we're done. We don't need semicolon. We don't need this semicolon here. I think we're good for a structure. Do we need? Yeah, I think we need it. Yeah, we need it here, guys. So see, we need a semicolon. I'm learning with you guys. I'm learning with you guys same time. So semicolon. The only difference is I'm doing it and you watching it, and you can do it for yourself too if you need to. So here the input is done. We don't need to do it. This is the input. The output start. So let me show you, right? A structure is like a class, right? To declare, you know, an object of the structure, so we need to put the name student, right? This name student, and then you put the name of the object, right? And if you want to, you know, if you want to, how can I say that? If you want to, what's the word of it? I forgot. If you want to use, I mean, this is a simple word, okay. If you want to use the variable in the structure, you need to put a dot, right? Like the class, right? Structure dot age is here, right? St dot first name, right? That's this variable. St dot last name, see that's this variable. St dot standard, so that's this variable. You see that? You need to put a dot, you know, like an object, you know, and then you can enter this structure. Okay, let's do the run code. Let's see what it is. Okay, so we're good. Congratulations. Simple test case, and submit the code for all the tests. Okay guys, so we're good. All the test cases until test 5 are good. So this is a simple problem, just introduction of structure, just to teach you how to do a structure and stuff like that. If you know how to declare it, it will be easy for you to work with classes and objects and stuff like that, right guys? So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys on Sunday. Bye bye.